So you want to take your passion of gaming to the next level by starting a YouTube channel and growing an audience of people to watch you play your games. Before you do that, you need to know the steps to have a successful YouTube gaming channel. I'm going to give you the top 3 things you will need to become successful. Number 1, good thumbnails. Gaming YouTube thumbnails need to show exactly what the video is about, whether that be a screenshot of the most intense or funniest part of the video. Try and show what the video will be about in an image so the viewer knows what the video will be about before they even click on the video, because this will get things such as click-through rate rocketing sky high, so you can get a bunch of views with that. But what happens after the viewer clicks on the video? Well, that brings us to my second point, good editing. Good editing doesn't mean just fancy effects and transitions. It also means good sound effects, music, because you want to show the best parts of your video and not the boring parts, and either chill or intense music, so the viewer will know what tone of the video you are at. Is it funny? Is it sad? Is it angry? Adding emotions in your music and voice can make the viewer understand what are you trying to show and tell. But do I need good commentary? And this is coming on to my third point. You will need good commentary and storytelling. A gaming channel isn't just about the game. It's about connecting with your audience and showing off your true personality to your viewers. Having that immediate hook as soon as the viewer clicks on the video just makes an enticing video that you physically can't click off. Of course, there comes a few problems with making good gaming videos, and I'm going to give you solutions to all of these problems.
This is called what?
That's just avocado toast.
This is called what?
Turkey sausage.
This is called what?
Turkey bacon.
And this is called what?
Veggie scramble.
So problem number 1, finding a niche or a game. This part is entirely up to you. Find a game that you enjoy and a game that is popular. Try and make the game interesting. If you find a trending topic on another game of YouTube, try to adapt and use that trending topic and transition it into your own game. Make the game more interesting than it already is, because that's what makes an enticing video that you physically can't click off.
Oh, look at that. You found it.
I found it.
That means we can fix your car.
Some people may worry about copying other creators' ideas. So problem number 2, how exactly do you separate yourselves from others? Try and think of an idea that no one else has done before, or try and use someone else's idea but make it 10 times better. As I've said before, you need to make the game more interesting than it already is. An example of this is Laserbeam's video, I won without moving. It's a video that no one else has done before. The idea is so genius and the thumbnail shows exactly what the video is about, which gets the video click-through rate high. But you don't just have to do this in Fortnite. You can do it in games like Minecraft or FIFA, any game that you have to move to win. You can do this challenge, make your version of it 10 times better. Now you know how to fix the problem of your video, you're probably still struggling on how to make the perfect gaming thumbnail.
Shrimp shumai, and then half of them have chili aioli.
Shrimp what?
Shrimp shumai.
Have you ever played rugby?
Gaming thumbnails are probably the toughest of them all, because you need to capture that perfect moment of the video to represent your title. What I'll do first is search up and watch some videos on how to make gaming thumbnails, but for whatever game you're playing. Keep learning on how to make these type of thumbnails, either using Photoshop or the free version Photopea. Keep on practicing different types of thumbnails and eventually start making thumbnails for your exact video. Most games have replay mode, so you can try and get the images from there and then turn them into a masterpiece. Making a thumbnail only really transitions to long form content, so you're probably wondering, should I make long form content or YouTube shorts? In my opinion, I would do both. You could take parts of your long form videos and put them into YouTube shorts. You can make funny skits about the game you're playing, like Hugh Moron and Much do. All of these things sound great, but what if you're not having fun with what you're doing? I recently saw a video about this guy who plays Minecraft, and he is not having fun with the game at all. His whole reputation is built around Minecraft, so it's impossible to switch games. What I would do is take a break. Everyone needs a break once in a while, because that's what gets you drained and demotivated to even play the game or upload any content about the game. You can also try and make the game more fun to you too. As I said a lot in this video, try new challenges or mods. Maybe do something with your friends. The possibilities are endless, but the main point is have fun with what you're doing, because if you're having fun with what you're doing, you'll probably do it 10 times better anyway, because you're determined and motivated to upload this content and make it the best it can be. But when making a video, there comes a lot of editing mistakes that you do not want to make, so this video might be helpful to watch next.